Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on another piece from the SKIMS Dolce Gabbana collaboration. This is the cotton jersey long sleeve t-shirt, and we have it in the color ONYX as well as the color leopard. Now, I tried on a small in the color ONYX and a medium in the color leopard, and as I mentioned in a lot of these other videos, I do feel like both of them worked. So I think when it comes to SKIMS products, there's some flexibility between the sizes. So unless you know exactly how you like these to fit and you want it on the tighter side or on the looser side, I do think there's a lot of give. Now, as I mentioned, these cotton materials are very luxurious. Like they feel kind of next level soft. Just so you have that in mind. The black I think looks really sharp and the leopard looks really Dolce & Gabbana. So with either of these two, you cannot go wrong. Now, as with the other pieces, the mock neck tank that we've unboxed, you can see on the lower hemline that it goes a little lower in the front than on the back. So the front has kind of like a dip in the cut where the back is just straight across. So I think that is due to, a woman's chest so that it looks even all the way around. So kudos to you, Kim. Now let's get a close-up of this fabric. It is really stretchy. So again, that's gonna help with why this is so forgiving. Let's go ahead and take a look at the leopard. So as I mentioned, we're going to try on a size medium in this one. And I will say, unboxing this one just gave me a lot of joy. It made me feel like I was unboxing Dolce & Gabbana for a literal fraction of the price. I can't even imagine how much this would be if it were just Dolce & Gabbana. Now, as I mentioned when we unboxed the mock neck tank, I really like the stitching color. At first glance, it kind of struck me as, wow, it's a lighter color. But once you open it up and you look at it from afar, it's really attractive and the seam just kind of disappears. Now, the material is the same cotton material. It is very jersey, kind of stretchy and luxurious. So it's not going to be like a normal cotton t-shirt, which I would hope not because it is a little expensive. And of course you have the Dolce Gabbana and SKIMS insignia on the neckline. Now, something that I wanted to try out with this leopard print is that when you stretch it, whether you would see that change in the fabric, so if you would see that the print was expanding, and at least when I put this one on, I didn't notice anything that looked off-putting to me. So it could be because of the size that I chose, but I feel like it looked really nice on. So as I mentioned, here is the black one, and this is in a size small. Now I have tried on some of the other pieces in an extra small and I think that they fit as well, but I am personally more comfortable in this small size. Now I am wearing this with cakes, so I'll leave a link to cakes in the comments below if you don't want to have kind of any other lines for a bra strap or a back bra strap, whatever it might be. You might want to check out cakes. I really like them. They are, what do they call them? They are grippy, not sticky. So they're actually really comfortable. And because this is more of a tight silhouette, it doesn't feel too compression-y, but it gives you something to hold the girls up. Now, this is the leopard in the size medium. And as I mentioned, you can't really tell a size difference, especially with this leopard print, because you're not going to see too much of the excess fabric because of the distracting print. Now, I really liked this one, and this was the clear winner for me. I felt like it was, on par with the brand, and it fit well, and it felt luxurious. Now, I'm not usually a leopard girly, but let me know in the comments below if you are and how you style this. I thought this went really well with some nice black pants, but could go with white or I don't know what else. Let me know what you think, if you have this, if you like it, if you love it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.